Hi, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you in this video the different personalities you can create with a variety of lip colors. Sit back and relax and enjoy. Fresh makeup is very important on your first date. Go for a flirty makeup look with a chic lip color which requires insignificant effort, minimalist and sexy. This lipstick shade with a slight blush would do great on your first date. I call this working lady lips. They're absolutely sophisticated yet mature and fascinating lip color. Not too formal, not overwhelming to go to your work. I call this youthful lips. Simple yet candid looking. A slight color on your lips would create a look of a young beauty, yet fabulous and natural. Oh yes, I'm going to run errands. That's why I call it this way. It is whether to go to grocery or park, church, mall, or even going for a picnic. Not too loud, yet you won't look pale. I call this night out lips. Evening makeup usually differs from daytime makeup in intensity and color. This lipstick shade can be matched with smoky-eyed look, plus you can put a little glitter on your skin. When you're heading for a night out or party or event, this lip color would do great on you. I know it's too feminine. I call it this way. It is good for all ages. It is attractive yet classy and sophisticated. Almost nude color lips would make you look effortless, which blends seamlessly into your skin. It has a brightening effect in your look. This is best for a regular date lipstick shade. Red color, that's why I call it power lips. It will definitely give you the confidence, timeless and classic impression. It is gorgeous, sharp lipstick wear for business or office meetings, events and presentations. They will surely remember you on this look. Innocent lips is when you're trying to look sweet and young looking, yet active and fun. It can give you a second glance if you're trying to get the attention of someone you like or attracted to. Mom lips are matured, yet sexy and lovely. Not overpowering, yet great for effortless look while you're running a busy life. Simple, yet glam and cozy. Oh, I just love shopping. And this is the lip color I always aim for when I go to the mall. It is when I try to look presentable, yet not overly made up. Just enough to achieve a casual and on-the-go radiant, wholesome appeal. I hope you enjoyed this video, same as I did. And I'm looking forward to see you again soon. Bye!